The LOFREE Zero ARTZ mechanical keyboard stands out with its terrazzo-inspired design and compact 75% layout that saves desk space without sacrificing essential keys. Its dual-colored PBT keycaps feel solid and resist shine, giving the keyboard a premium texture that holds up well to heavy daily typing. A gasket-mounted structure and linear switches combine to deliver a soft, cushioned key feel with a pleasantly muted sound profile, ideal for both office and home use. With a high polling rate optimized for responsiveness, this keyboard feels snappy and reliable for fast typists and casual gaming alike. Triple mode connectivity lets you switch seamlessly between Bluetooth, wireless receiver, and wired USB Type-C, and it can remember multiple devices for quick toggling. Broad compatibility with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android means you can use one stylish board across laptops, tablets, and phones without hassle.